Do you want to create smooth, professional-looking animations in Canva without keyframes? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Canva's Match and Move feature to add seamless motion effects to your designs. Match and Move is Canva's alternative to keyframes, allowing you to animate elements by automatically tracking their position across different pages. It creates fluid motion without the need for complex manual adjustments. So let's start by opening canva.com, and then we're going to create a new video design by clicking on this option. Then you can select the aspect ratio and the resolution of the design, and I'll select a YouTube video option. Now I have a blank page on which I'll use the match and move transition. I'll first change the color of my design to a blue color because I'll add this airplane sticker. And let's say I want to animate this plane and I want to add motion to it. Since Canva doesn't have keyframes like CapCut or Premiere Pro, then what I'll do is to tap on these three dots at the bottom. Then I'm going to duplicate the page. After you make an exact copy of the first page, go over to the second page. And then I'll drag the airplane from the left side all the way to the right. But if I play my video, you're going to see that there is no animation and the cut is pretty rough. We can fix that by hovering over the two videos until you see this Add Transition button appears. And if I click on it, it's going to give me a bunch of transitions from which I can choose from. Tap on the Match and Move option, and then the plane is going to animate and it will have movement added to it. I think that my animation is going pretty fast, so I'll set the animation to last around 2 seconds or more, and you can now see that my plane is moving much better now. You can add this transition if you want to change the scale, the rotation, and similar things. And that's how you can use the Match and Move option in Canva. And please tell me if you want a full and in-depth tutorial about this feature. And I'll make sure to make a separate, long video about this, where I'll show you different things which you can use with this. Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone, and I will see you in the next video.